She was approached by the Shelby Police Department officer while she was having a mental health crisis. She had the demeanor to de-escalate, and it seems like it was the police officer that was escalating the situation. He punched her 6 times, and then the other officer tells him, that's enough, I got her. And then he punches her 4 additional times. It was unjustified, unnecessary, unconstitutional, and just outright inhumane. Now that we have the medical records that provides evidence that our sister, Cherie Moore, suffered a fractured nose, and her eyes were black and her lips were swollen, serious bodily injury. Serious. Now, the prosecutor can go back and increase the charges from simple assault to assault with serious bodily injuries inflicted.